Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play BO2 safely. While Black Ops 2 offers a fantastic multiplayer experience, it's important to acknowledge that older online games can present security challenges. Specifically, PC versions of the game have known vulnerabilities that malicious actors might exploit. However, with a few smart strategies, you can significantly reduce these risks and enjoy your game. We'll cover essential steps to keep your account and computer secure. For PC players, a crucial step is to use community-developed clients such as Plutonium. These clients offer patched versions of Black Ops 2, addressing many known security flaws. Additionally, always use a virtual private network, or VPN, when playing online. A VPN helps mask your IP address, making it much harder for malicious individuals to track your online activity or launch attacks like remote code execution exploits. This adds a vital layer of protection. When you're in the game, making smart lobby choices is key. If you encounter a lobby with obvious modding, strange player behavior, or anything that feels off, it's best to leave immediately. Many issues stem from malicious hosts. For the safest experience, consider sticking to private matches with friends you know and trust. This significantly reduces your exposure to potential threats and ensures a more enjoyable, secure gaming session. Beyond in-game actions, general digital security practices are vital. Always use strong, unique passwords for your Activision account and any linked platforms. Avoid reusing them. If two-factor authentication is available for your account, enable it for an extra layer of security. Finally, ensure your computer has a robust, real-time antivirus program running. These measures protect not just your game, but your entire digital presence from various online threats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.